welcome to the lecture number 10 of Parts of Speech. In this lecture, we will going to cover the conjunction and its types in the first part and interjection and its types in second part. If you want to know about the parts of speech that have done so far, please watch my previous videos. In this video, we will have a focus mainly on the conjunction and interjection. So first is, what is conjunction? Conjunctions are the linking material, and conjunctions are the words that link other words, phrases, or clauses to each other. For example, I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterward. In this sentence, but is conjunction because it is a connecting device between the two sentences. One is the I like cooking and eating, and the other sentence is I don't like washing dishes afterwards. So these two sentences are connected to each other by the conjunction which is but. Now look at the second sentence. Sufi is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. These two sentences are connected by the conjunction which is in the bold letters yet. Now, first type of conjunction is coordinating conjunctions. Depending upon the word that is used to connect the two sentences, we have divided them into different categories. So, first one is the coordinating conjunction. In simple word, coordinating conjunctions join the two simple sentences. It means simple sentences mean they have same grammatical rank. If these coordinating conjunctions are not used between two simple sentences, it doesn't matter to them. They can fully give their meaning without these coordinating conjunctions between them in two simple sentences. So, coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. Next, the most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These are the fixed seven coordinating conjunctions, and for our own convenience, we have taken the first letter of all these seven coordinating conjunctions and we have made a word fanboys. So F for, N for and, N for nor, B for but, and so on. Now we will see some of the examples in sentences. The first one is I would like pizza or salad for lunch. Second, we needed a place to concentrate, so we packed up our things and went to the library. The third is Jessie did not have much money, but she got by. In these three sentences, or, and but are the coordinating conjunctions. Now we will move toward the second type. So it is the correlative conjunctions. These are the correlative means they work together. Two, it means that the pairs of the conjunction work together. Now look at the text. Correlative conjunctions are pair of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either, or, neither, nor, and not only but also. These two words are these two conjunctions when used in the same sentence, so they are the correlative conjunctions. For example, if there is any sentence which contain the word either, so this sentence must contain the word or. So next are the example for your understanding. Now first example is not only am I finished studying for English, but I am also finished writing my history essay. So you can see in the bold letters that not only and but also are used in the same sentence, and so are the correlative conjunctions. Second sentence is I am finished with both my English essay and my history essay. Now move toward the third type, and it is Subordinating conjunction. These joins the clauses that does not have the same grammatical rank. It means one is independent clause and one is dependent clause. So subordinating conjunctions can signal a cause and effect relationship. Cause and effect mean that the first independent clause is the cause and the second dependent clause after the conjunction is the effect. So they cannot give their meaning, especially the dependent clause after the conjunction cannot give its meaning without that conjunction or the first independent part. So they have a cause and effect kind of relationship, a contrast, or some other kind of relationship between the clauses. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, since, as, although, do, while, and whereas. Now I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. So you can see that I can see out give its meaning without an extra assistance and hence is an independent clause. But when we say the clock strikes 12, so it does not give any meaning. But when it is used with the conjunction until and with the first independent clause, then we can completely comprehend its meaning. I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. Now look at the second example. Before he leaves, make sure his room is clean. So in this second part, make sure his room is clean is completely an independent clause. Before he leaves cannot give its meaning alone, so it is used before is an conjunction used in the dependent and independent clause. Now the next is subordinating conjunctions examples. So there are lot of subordinating conjunctions and you can see them on your screen. So these are the three types of conjunction. The first one is coordinating conjunctions, then correlative conjunctions, and this last one is the subordinating conjunctions. So it is the end of the first part. So in the second part, we'll discuss interjection and its types. So first of all, we'll look at what is the functions of interjection. Interjection is one of the eight parts of speech which is not generally required to get a clear meaning of a sentence, hence, it is more commonly used in informal language than in formal writing or speech and is majorly used to add an exclamation to a sentence. It does not have anything to do with the grammatical structure, but it only gives us the about the feeling of the speaker or the writer. For example, if someone say, "Oh, this apple is rotten," so "oh" shows his expression, his feeling, his awkwardness that the apple is rotten. Second example is "Eek, a mouse." So "eek" is an interjection. There are six types of interjections to express greetings, joy, surprise, approval, attention, and sorrow when used in sentence. The first one is interjections for greeting. These are used when we met someone. Interjections for greeting is used in the sentence to indicate the emotion of warmth to a person meeting with, such as hello, he, hi, etc. Like he, where are you going? Hi, what are you up to? And the third one is hello, I am Itka. So these are very simple. We know that greeting is to meet with someone. So interjections for greeting are used when we met with someone and show the warmth, the emotions of warmth. The second is interjections of joy. These interjections shows the joy, the happiness, at any occasion. Interjections for joy is used in a sentence to indicate immediate joy and happiness on any happy occasion occurred such as hurrah, wow, hooray, etc. These include hurrah, hooray, and wow, etc. For example, hurrah, we won the match. Good. Now we can move on. Wow, what a beautiful dress. In these, hurrah, good, and wow shows the interjections of joy and happiness. Now the third one is interjections for attentions. Interjections for attention is used in a sentence to draw attention of someone such as look, listen, behold, hush, sha, etc. For example, look, she is so bad. Listen, I'm not talking about you. Behold, something is there. Hush, be quiet. So these are the interjections which are used to get the attention of someone. Now the fourth one is interjections for approval. These are used in the sense of approval or agreement for the something that has happened that have make you happy. So the interjections for approval is used in a sentence to express the strong sense of approval or agreement for something that has happened, such as bravo, brilliant, and well done. For example, well done, you won the race. Brilliant, that was a good shot. Bravo, you scored the most. Now the next is interjections for surprise. As the name suggests, interjections for surprise are used to express the strong sense of surprise about something that has happened, such as ah, what, oh, ah, etc. For example, ah, it feels good. Oh, you both know each other. What? He died? I got $1,000 note. The next one is sorrow for interjections for sorrow. These are used to express the emotion of sadness about something that is unfortunate that has happened to someone. For example, such as alas, ah, oh, ouch. For example, ouch, that hurts. Oops, I am sorry, that was my mistake. Alas, he broke his leg. So all these interjections shows the sorrow. So these are the six types. Now in we will discuss that what are the three ways to correctly punctuate interjections. Since there are different types of interjections, there are also different ways to punctuate them. That how to use the interjections. The first is using exclamation mark. Whenever we use interjection, we must have to use the exclamation marks after that particular interjection to whatever type it may belong. The exclamation point is the most commonly used punctuation mark for interjection. Obviously, it is used to communicate strong emotions such as surprise, excitement, or anger, as we have discussed earlier. For example, a blue horse. Ooh la la. So we have used the exclamation mark at the end. We know that exclamation marks can either at the first part of the sentence and it can also be at the last. So the second is punctuating with period or comma. That we can also use the comma or the period for weaker emotions. So, for weaker emotions, a period or comma will suffice. For example, ah, that feels great. So, ah is the interjection, and we use the comma for that. And at the end, we have used the exclamation mark. So, you can also see at the remaining five sentences. Now, the third is punctuating with question mark. If you intend to use interjection to express uncertainty or disbelief, it is more appropriate to use a question mark. So it is the common sense that when we are uncertain about something, we use the question mark and we learn it from the level 1. Hmm? What did you just say? We know that it's a question and we just put the question mark in the end without any hesitation. So we learn the three ways to use the Interjection. First is using exclamation mark. Second is punctuation with the period or comma. And the third is punctuating with question mark. And we have discussed the six types of interjection, like interjection for sorrow, for surprise, for approval, for attention, for joy, and for greeting. So interjection is the most easiest among all of the parts of speech. Hope you have understand the conjunction and interjection and all of its types with the examples. But if you still have any query, you can ask in the comment section, or any further lecture that you want me to give you, you can also ask in the comment section. I will surely reply you and will try my best to tell you in a very easy manner. So 10 lectures are completed and these all are related to the part of speech. You can watch all those lectures and can ask me about anything according to these lectures. And please, here is a request to you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and also like it. Thanks for watching.